Okay, wheel number 2 on this Jaguar. It's got curb rash most of the way around the wheel, just various spots. Nothing deep enough that I feel that need to use the grinder, so I'm just going to use get a fresh 320 grit sanding disc out. I'll go ahead and sand all this damage out of here. We'll go 320 800 on this one again. Then we'll go ahead and switch over to the 800 grit. Get rid of any sanding marks left with 320 grit. Just takes a couple quick passes over all the spots that I sanded. I'll go ahead and scuff this up with 1500 grit scuff pad. Just going over the repaired areas here. Clean the wheel and tire up a bit. Take the old scuff pad with the Adams Surface Prep spray and just clean up those brake lines just a bit. All right, now it's ready for clear coat.